Hi, I'm Courtney Whitmore. I'm an author and entertaining blogger at Pizzazzerie.com. One of my favorite things to do is set a gorgeous tablescape. So I usually head to the fabric store to look at linens or tablecloths that I can create from the fabrics, but one of my favorite sections is the trim section. There's gorgeous pom-poms and tassels and a rainbow of colors. So I always love to kind of add a little fun DIY twist to my napkins or table runners or tablecloths, and so trim is the perfect way to accomplish this. Here I've got a pink tassel trim, and I chose a coordinating pink linen napkin. And so I'm creating a gorgeous birthday party tablescape, and I really wanted to add that fun pizzazz to the napkins. So the way I do this is with fabric glue. It's very secure, it's very easy to use, and you don't need a sewing machine for this DIY, which I love. So before I head to the store, I usually take my napkin, open it up. A lot of napkins are commonly like an 18-inch square or a 20-inch square, and then just take that length and multiply times the number of chairs you're gonna have at your table. So maybe you're a tablescape of 6 or a tablescape of 8. You just take the fabric glue and you take your trim, add it on. You wanna use enough that it's secure, but not too much. And then just lay it down, make sure it's flat and you've measured it correctly and cut any of the edges. And then wait at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, it's fully washable, which is wonderful because cloth napkins need to be used. I have several different kinds of DIY trim napkins in my house. I have some that are kind of a blue and white because I just love that blue and white for everyday occasions. But then I have the fun ones like this pink tassel ones, which are really, really fun for like a girl's baby shower or a festive birthday party. So you can really tailor it to your own needs and kind of have a few different collections to kind of meet your entertaining needs throughout the year. I love DIYs, but I want them to work and be simple. And I love that you don't need a sewing machine. All you need is the special fabric glue and the trim and your napkin, and you're ready to go. It's easy as it looks, and it's truly simple, and that's what I really love about this DIY. For the full DIY, head to the blog at Pizzazzerie.com.